I'm going to be pouring a few bars today and also some bigger skeletons and hoping that we get some 10-ounce pours. I've got about 40 troy ounces of rounds that I want to melt, so we're going to get right to the action without further delay. Well, here they are. We ended up pouring 3 skulls and 4 bars. This was my first skull pour, and it came out pretty heavy, 10.3 troy ounces. So a little bit heavier. So after I figured that out, I poured the second one, which I've also toned, and this one came out to 10.03. So we were right on the mark at 10 ounces troy. Makes me happy. Tried to pour an exact 10 ouncer again. This is 9.93. Just about 10 ounces. I guess it's like 1.5 grams or 2 grams short of 10 troy ounces, but what are you gonna do? Close enough. We'll call it 10, even though it's slightly under. First bar I poured, I went ahead and toned. You saw by the pour, it had a little bit of an imperfection mark. I should have used some borax, but I didn't. But we went ahead and toned it, and I think it came out pretty nice anyway. And then the second bar also had a little bit of a dark spot here next to the 2, but still came out really nice. Toned that one as well. The last 2 bars came out pretty clean. I used borax on them, which I should have done earlier. And yeah, 2.5 troy ounces on that one and 2.3 troy ounces on this one. And I stamped these vertical versus horizontal just for a little bit of variance. Either way, I had a lot of fun pouring the silver. Hopefully you guys had a good time watching me pour these. If you did, I'd appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, happy stacking, and thanks for watching.